I could fall asleep here.
I started to like John Mayer,
What?
the singer.
Oh, he's
What?
Joe Meyer, the
What is-
singer.
Yes.
I started like him.
Did you see something? Did you see a show?
Are you making video?
Uh-huh.
Yo. I just saw him in the bathing suit as a like a Borat has.
Oh, gross.
Gross. But he's very cute.
Where did you see that?
On internet. Where?
And
Here
that's,
on the beach.
and that's why you started to
No,
like
maybe,
him?
maybe in a TV show or
I felt
something like that.
him. No, on the boat. He was somewhere on the yacht or something.
You can go over there. I mean, over that way.
Where? In the middle?
Yeah.
With a boat, you can. But you know what people used to do? Like, they swim from the beach to here. Yeah.
But yes, the water is kind of dirty.
Yes, it is gross.
What is your dream place to visit? You said it's Brazil, I know.
Mine?